We are live. Sorry I'm a little late today. This is going to be a shorter stream. Sorry I'm a little late today. But I had some work things I needed to finish up. Still have work things to finish up. Apparently, no. I can do them tomorrow. Okay. So Twitch is looking good. How about YouTube? Gotta pop out my chat, which is super annoying. Because the chat pop out changes every single time. All right. All right, cool. Let's see. Looking good, looking good. Oh, we forgot something. There we go. How's Restream looking? Oh, we forgot to update the titles. Shit, I knew I forgot something. Tesla Tower and all right, we're working on the Tesla and railgun weapons today. Wow, I haven't forgotten to update the title in a while. That's my bad. Cool. All right, it's working. Wonderful, wonderful. All right, so Tesla coil and railgun. What's the deal with these two weapons? So the Tesla coil hits a random enemy that is within its range. All right. That means tower priority, which isn't even in the game yet, will not work. But yeah, so let's try to do that. Yeah, I don't think this one's gonna be too difficult. Railgun also shouldn't be too difficult. These two things should be relatively easy, which is good since this is a shorter stream. All right, let's get started. So let's think about this. What artillery do I want to copy to make this? Oh, also yesterday I refactored the sounds, so now now they can be 3D. So like they can still be global, but like the shooting, for example, is 3-dimensional. and quieter. So like if I do it over here, it's coming out of my left ear. I don't know if you guys can even hear it. But yeah, the sounds are 3D now, which is good. I mean, let's think about what I even want to do. I want to spawn in this lightning object, and then I just needed to deal damage to a random enemy in range. I mean, I kind of just want to copy and paste the bullet. It's very similar to the bullet. It's not identical, but it's similar. So let's do that. Let's go to scenes, projectiles, bullet, and we're gonna duplicate. And this is gonna be we have lightning ball, and then we have maybe lightning bolt or something, or just name it Tesla coil. What did I name this? Tesla coil. Or should I name it like lightning bolt? Lightning ball, lightning bolt. I'm not opposed to that. Lightning bolt. Okay. Hey, Salvecchia, what's up? Lightning bolts. Yeah, kind of a late stream today, but it'll only be like three or 4 hours long, which is still not too bad. Lightning bomb. Not for this one. That's funny. All right, what would the lightning bomb do? I'm curious. All right, let's rename this as well. Detach the bullet script, and we're going to attach a new script called lightning bolt. Great. All right, cool. We're gonna take the bullet script, just take everything about it, and obviously we're gonna change a lot of this. The first thing is the raycast. It's no longer raycast. No raycast. This is going to be a single zone, and we're going to take a random enemy from that zone. So let's add a child area, 3D, and under this, see, this is tough because I want it to be a cone. Collision shape 3D. I mean, I guess I can work with cylinder, but I really want this to be a cone. I'm gonna look that up because this is something I've wanted to do. Kazap. That doesn't really describe much, but that is what it would sound like. Yeah, how do you create a cone? This is 5 years ago. But... Huh. Wait, that's a good idea. Oh shit, that's a really good idea. Okay, let's... Wait, I don't know if that would work though. Okay, here we go. So, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add a mesh 3D. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Okay, mesh 3D. We're gonna add new cylinder mesh. And in the cylinder mesh, we're gonna create a cone. So 0, top radius. Actually, let's make the top radius big. And then maybe like 0.1 bottom radius, something like that. No, screw it. 0. Okay. I mean, there's your cone. How big do I want this cone to be? I think that's good. Okay, now I can go, bam, create tri-mesh collision sibling, create tri-mesh static body. Let's just do that. And now we have a collision shape. Woo! And then we can just go, bam, collision shape. Look at that. Okay. Wow, I don't know why I didn't think of that. That's pretty sick. There you go. There's our cone. I wonder if... Okay. I can't really change... I can't really change it, but it's fine. See, an issue with this, though... Like, what range do I make this? Maybe I should just make it a cylinder. Yeah, I can't just like easily scale it up like that. Can't you make a cone with less vertices? Probably. Maybe. Yeah, won't this be expensive? You know what? I like it, and if I ever need to do that, I will, but how about we just do a cylinder, honestly? I feel like it'll just be simpler. It's a good call. Where's... Oh, we have our trail. Oh, oh God, it's this small. Okay. Okay, so we have our area. Let's tilt it. So it shoots out here, right? And it's just gonna try to find an enemy within this. And then like somehow we'll make this look like lightning. I don't know how. Probably not today. Oh man, I'm just trying to think like what do I actually want to happen here? That's an interesting idea. I can convert it to a static body at runtime. I didn't know that. You can just adjust the mesh in the editor. Right. Huh. That's interesting. That's good to know. I'm gonna just use a cylinder. It's just easier, and it doesn't really matter. Cause like really, I just want this to hit things in front of it. My issue is currently the distance. So I guess. I guess we need to programmatically make this match the distance, which is fine. That's fine. So let's start this at a height of 1. The radius. Oh man, what should the radius be? I mean, and maybe make the radius like 5 or something. The thing is, I kind of want to increase the radius as the distance gets bigger. So we have a height of 1, so that means the Z needs to be negative 0.5, I believe. Nope. The Y? Oh, I guess it's just 0.5, all right. There. And so that's what we need to do. Like, as this height gets bigger, we need to make it half. We need to make the Y half the height, which is not hard. But like, what about the width? Maybe we just keep it. All right. So we have this zone. We have this area. I want this to be on ready var vision area, and this is an area 3D, which is this. Okay. We need to maintain. We need enemies in vision. Oh, wait a second. We don't. This doesn't travel. This this projectile specifically does not travel. All we need to do one time is get the enemies that are in this collision thing. So, and then just hit one of them. So on shoot. Oh yeah, basically the whole thing occurs in the shoot function. Okay. Okay. Okay, this positions it. Area, okay, so here we go. Area hit equals enemies in vision equals, I think I called it vision area. Let me just call it vision. No, vision area is fine because it is an area. Vision area dot what? Dot get, I don't know. Get overlapping areas. Now I've used this before and it's been laggy, but I'm only calling it a single time here, which is fine, I think. Hey monkey, how's it going? Oh man, there's a 30 to 50 second delay. Okay, yeah, if you just refresh, that should be better, but that is kind of a lot. But yeah, hey monkey, we are adding a couple new weapons to our towers. Specifically the lightning bolt, and then after that it's going to be the railgun. So the lightning bolt is going to hit a random enemy in vision, which is unique to this weapon, to this artillery. Targeting priority will not affect this. Okay. Enemies in vision equals, okay. Enemies in vision, so it's, sorry. var enemies in vision, good. Okay. Are we tweening anything? We don't have to right now. We'll add something later. No, we don't. Oh, here, okay. Here we want to make the vision area dot collision shape. So let's actually just get access to the collision shape. Okay. Collision shape. Shape. I can't hover this. It's not working. Height. Would it be shape.height? I don't know. We can try. So here, collision shape dot shape dot height. I don't, or maybe it's get. Something like this. And I'm gonna set the height. Oh, I guess set. I'm yeah. I'm going to set the height to the tower dot stat range, I believe. Yo, Swarm, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. It does not seem like there was any notification at all, but there should have been. Thank you so much, man, for the tier 2 sub on YouTube. How's it going? Every time it hits an enemy, Ace or O, says a box of donuts. That would get very expensive very quickly. It does sound good though. How about I buy myself a donut and then eat it on stream? Okay, this should be setting the height, and then we want to set the position. So it would just be collision shape position dot y. Equals the range divided by 2. And then we're gonna time out actually like 0.5 seconds because or maybe even 1 second because I need to see this work. Okay. So now that this is being set, we get enemies in vision and we just choose a random one. And then damage it, basically. We'll work on the visuals later. What happens if there's no enemy though? I don't know. Is it shuffle? Enemies in vision. Oh, well, hold on. This is get overlapping areas should be an array. We'll see though. It's an array of area 3Ds. Okay, so we're gonna shuffle it. So enemy hit is the shuffled array. Well, hold on. Enemies in vision equals enemies in vision shuffle. If enemies in vision dot count, or is it size, or is it length? My guess is size is greater than 0. Maybe just something like this. Okay. So if yes, if the enemy's in vision is greater than 0, then enemy hit is equal to what? Enemies in vision, just the first one in the array, because we shuffled the array. Okay. So now we have the enemy that gets hit by this lightning bolt. I'm just gonna deal damage to it for now. Okay, that's it. Okay, and this is tweening the trail. We're commenting out all the visuals for now. This is the raycast. Don't care. There is no raycast anymore. So what's wrong with this? Oh. Okay, so what's happening? We on shoot, we're setting the collision shape to we're trying to set the height to the range of the tower, and we're setting the Y position of it to the tower range divided by 2. So this will make the cylinder collision shape move outward like this. Okay. What's next? We wait 1 second. Then it grabs all enemies in the vision area of it. All enemies inside this, okay? If there is at least one enemy inside of it, it'll hit a random one. And then down here we deal the damage. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go to the projectile pool and finish this off. I just want my name at the end of your videos. Other than that, no point. What about the emotes? The emotes. And I believe, does tier 2, is that the one that gets you the play testing? I don't even remember. Yep, they fixed vector length. Yep. That's good. How do you like the weight keyboard? Is it better than the old yield? As far as I understand, they're literally the same thing, except it's renamed. So I guess it's better. I don't know. A weight, it kind of makes sense. You're waiting. You still don't understand what Dreams is. It's like a game engine on the PlayStation, but along with the game engine, you can play all the games that are made on it, but you can't like export anything. So make sure you turn on visible yes, definitely. Yep. Thank you. Update size in this case. Oh man, what do I even want to do? I guess it would update the vision. I can update. I can increase the size of the entire thing, I think. All right. I think this is it, but I mean, we probably messed something up. Is that it? Ah, no, we need the resource. I typed lightning bolt so many times. Lightning bolt. Base damage can be 2. Base range 5. I don't freaking know. All right, we can just leave it. Leading, no. Pooled, yes. Okay, let's try it. That's a nice emote. Okay, MM is the best team in the world. That's not sure if that's true, but they are a great team. Isn't it weird how like it's like they didn't even test it? You know what I mean? Like that. You know, like how does that get the vector length thing specifically? Like how does that get through? How is that not caught? You know, I don't know. Whatever. I mean, they're so like careful with these updates, and they take such a long time. And I don't know. All right, let's just try it with arrow. All right, here we go. So we have 1 second to check if it works. Lightning bolt. All right, so far so good. Trying to call a function on a null value. Ah, of course, my bad. Area hit equals ray.getCollider. We don't have a ray anymore. A ray. Whoa. That was weird. Okay. Okay. Invalid, get index lifetime on base nil. On base nil. On base nil. So r dot lifetime. R was nil. Ah, yes, of course, of course. Man, I forgot a couple things. I forgot to do a couple things. So we have our lightning bolt, and we need to give the lightning bolt a resource, right? Bam. I could do this programmatically, though, now that I think about it. That's fine. Let's try it again. Okay. Invalid set index enabled on base null. Okay, some more ray stuff. Jesus Christ. Ray enabled. No, that doesn't, we don't have a ray anymore. Okay, well, okay, let's just search ray. Holy shit. No more ray. This, yes. Oh, here's another thing. Oh, okay, here we go. Disable areas. We want to disable this collision shape, right? Isn't it called disabled? Equals true. And then here it equals false. All right, I'm feeling this one. I'm feeling this one. Are the ones that get overlooked? I know, but like this is like, it's not even obvious. It's just like the functionality of it. It's as if no one even tested it at all, you know? Unless like, maybe they tested it in a way where they just didn't notice, you know? But like, it's not even like a side case. It's like the actual functionality of it. Like, of course it should output a number as opposed to a fat wire. Like that's what it is. That's what it does. But Let's try it. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, we're firing too quick. We are firing way too quick. Trying to assign... What? Trying to assign value of type float to a variable of type array. So this returned a float. That's weird. Okay, maybe we shuffle it if the size is greater than 0. How about that? But my test isn't great for multiple reasons, and it didn't work, frankly. But like the area did not extend how I expected it to, and is shooting way too fast. So it's happening after 1 second. I understand, like, yeah, same thing. Trying to assign a value of type float. Okay, is shuffle not it? Maybe shuffle isn't it. Oh, okay. You don't like, it doesn't return anything. My bad. Shuffle does not return anything. It's good to know. I mean, so after a second, it should just like, ah, damn. Non-existent function, change health. Oh, that's another thing, my bad. So enemy hit equals enemies in vision 0 dot get parent. That's my bad. We're returning the areas, right? But the area isn't what we're changing the health on. We're changing the health on the enemy, which is the parent of the area. Is this gonna freeze my camera if I resize this? Yes, yes it will. Amazing. We don't even know how they test it. Well, bro, like, I would assume they have QA testers that like use the gadgets. I don't, you know? So I guess the QA testers didn't know what was supposed to be returned, which I guess that makes sense. You know, I guess it makes sense. That's a good point. Yeah, I don't know. Damn. Wait, not in base node 3D. Wait, so now we're getting it. Wait a second. What is this? So, okay, well, right off the bat, this is wrong. Oh, I never set this. Oh, shit. Okay. Monitoring, yes. Monitorable, no. The mask is what it scans. The layer is what it is. So it's not a layer. And the mask, it's scanning enemies. My bad. I forgot I made a new one. I made a new area. So I had to like reset some things. My bad. Wait a second. Ray pickable, no as well. So now the mouse can't click it. Oh yeah, I bet he would be able to. That's a good point. They probably don't even, well, I don't know. They probably test it in game, right? Like, what, you think they just implement it and then never test it ever? Like, I don't know. Voulez Fan Dong, how's it going? What's up? Here we go. Damn, it's still crashing after 1 second. All right. Okay, in base nil. Here we go. Here we go. So we're getting base nil. So enemy, yes, this makes more sense. This is what I expected. Now that I think about it, oh, actually, yeah, no, this is good. If enemy hit does not equal null, do this. All right, here we go. I'm pretty confident this will work now. Pretty confident. Like, I will be surprised if this doesn't work. Here we go. Yay, it's working. Okay, so this is the tower's range, right? I wanted, yeah, it's not working. Okay. This zone that's appearing, that's popping up, I want it to be like the entire, I want it to be from this tower to here, and the height isn't changing at all. The height is not changing. So collision, so this right here, this is just not working. I thought set property and then value, assign a new value to the given property. How do I? Oh, is it just height? Or is it like this? I forget I forget what it's supposed to be. No. Nope, still not working. Or maybe it's like shape dot height. We can just try that. I don't think that's gonna work though. It might. Yeah, let's try it. Legasp. It worked. It just didn't completely work. Like, it didn't crash. Hey, there we go. Okay, so the height is double what it should be though. Okay, it's changing though. So this is correct. Shape.height was correct. Let's go to the lightning bolt resource again. The base fire rate should be maybe like 1 is fine instead of 4. Okay, so again, we want the cylinder to start at the tower and end at the max range, okay? And currently it's double the max range, which is interesting. And it's not dealing any damage, which also is very interesting. How is that not dealing? What, the goblin's not inside that? Seriously? Oh, it is. Oh, wait, now it's taking damage? I am very confused. Oh, it is after a second, but still. It's after 1 second where that applies. Which is longer than I want. Let's put the second here. Let's try that. It's weird how it's not consistent, although it's probably that 1 second delay that's doing that, I hope. Okay, that looked better, but why? Where's the zone? It's like disappearing now. I'm kind of confused. This is weird. I should see multiple here. One. It's reusing the same one over and over. I don't understand. It should be making a new one. Hey Armand, how's it going? Should I put an Agent Acer in Hellboy? If you want, that would be kind of cool. Do it. You disable the shape, but don't re-enable it, maybe? Yeah, maybe. Gotta run, might be back later. All right, Salve, I'll see you later, dude. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out, rather. They caught it late and fixed it. Yep. Well, you think they? Yeah, oh, yeah, they probably did catch it. You're right. Because they were already working on a fix. And yeah, it was working. Yeah, the output was just weird. Yep. I don't believe their team is small anymore. They have like 80 people. That's like a medium size. That's a pretty big size team. I don't know. Look, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All right, it looks like it needs to be divided by 2 and then divided by 4. But I mean, this isn't the issue we're having, but it's an issue, so we might as well fix something. There you go. But now, yeah, it's like reusing. That's super annoying. All right. I mean, there should be a 1-second delay before it gets damaged. Is that happening? One damage. Yes, it is happening. Okay. I mean, okay, let's play it again and let's actually like pause it. So I just paused it. Where is this bullet? Not sure if pausing, well, I guess it'll help. So this bullet, lightning bolt. says it's in the pool. That makes no sense. It was just shot. How is it in the pool again? Did this not get called? Oh shit, we shouldn't be randomly rotating it. Time alive, collision shape disabled equals false. Should have created another bullet. Maybe not. Here, I mean, this is... This is weird. It works the first time perfectly. It's like it's there, but I just can't see it. So like right now, it's here. Look, it's disabled. What? What? Disabled? Oh shit, is it the call deferred? Is that what's... Oh shit. Maybe this is getting called... Crap, you know what? I think what's happening is that it's being added to the pool on the same frame that it's being... Okay, wait, this is kind of weird. Hold on, let me try something. Let's before we destroy it, let's wait 0.1 seconds. This might actually fix it. I think we were just having a weird timing issue, which is like the theme of this game. I mean, okay, what if I increase the fire rate? Like, is it... It's not create... What? Why isn't it creating more? This does not make any sense. Get to projectile. We're calling this. Wait a second. Is it possible that this wasn't being pooled? That the type wasn't pooled? Oh, maybe it was the lifetime. Oh, crap. It was the lifetime. It was destroying itself after 1 second. Oh, no. It was the lifetime. shoot. Okay. That makes sense. That, I was like, what is destroying it? But no, it was the lifetime. That makes perfect sense. Okay. I think it's working now. Yeah, look, we're actually having multiple bullets now. Yes, thank you. Okay. Whew, all right. So fire rate 2, we should spawn more now. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. This is exactly what I expected. Okay, we can finally move on. Holy crap. So it was not this, and I didn't think it was, but so now what? Shit can happen weirdly when everything in code is called thing. Did I do that? They just used the word thing? That's confusing. What are these errors? Oh. Right. So, what's next? I want to make some sort of lightning, but in reality, what I just want a cylinder that, like, yeah, see, we are actually shooting something. I just want this thing to, like, go and hit the enemy. I just want it to be like a cylinder that hits it. All right, we can do more later. So we have this mesh, and what do I mean? It's already aiming at the enemy properly, right? So, I mean, okay, let's get our tweens back. New scale equals what? Oh, and I only want to do this if an enemy is hit. What could be seen in one of their streams? The first Under the Hood one? Oh my god. Seriously? That's funny. All right, so what is distance? Wait, what does this mean? New scale equals distance. Oh, so okay. So new scale equals what? Position dot distance to enemy hit dot position. All right. So that's what the new scale is. That makes sense. Then we tween it, and then the position. Yep, that makes sense too. Do we also look, does the trail need to look at the enemy? I believe it does. What are we looking at? Enemy hit dot center position dot global transform dot origin, something like that. Oh, it's just center. Okay. Doesn't that mess things up though? Doesn't that mess up the position? So shouldn't it be just this entire thing? Looks at it, I think. Well, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe it'll work. Oh, it just crashes with no error. That's awesome. The things in dreams are mostly things in code with an ID to know what they are. Interesting. Yeah, so it just crashed. It just completely crashed. I don't know what happened. Maybe we'll get an error this time. That was weird. What the fuck? Okay, I mean, let's just comment. I mean, we're not getting an error. It's just crashing. So let's just comment code out until it works. It's the first time this has ever happened, though. Okay, so it was the look at. Good news is this is actually working. This does not look like a lightning bolt. I don't really care at the moment. Creating a lightning bolt is going to be kind of tough. I don't know. This is going to be weird. Didn't I? Oh. Let's try setting this to 0 and see what happens. Yeah, that's better. I just wanted it to differentiate. Yeah, look at that. So it's hitting a random enemy. Nice. Completely random enemy. Perfect. Okay. We don't really need the tween, but we will. We will need the tween once I figure out what the graphic is gonna look like. Oh wait, so the look at just didn't work. Enemy hit dot center dot global transform dot origin, and that just didn't work. I want this entire thing to look at this point. I don't know. That's super weird to me why that didn't, how that didn't work. Is this going to crash again? I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, wait, that worked though. Oh, all right. There you go. All right, we've got our lightning. I think. Nice. So this should hit a random enemy in here. Yeah, perfect. So if I make the range like 3 and then do something like this. So this should just hit a random enemy, which makes this kind of weak. Because it's not going to focus down one enemy. It's just going to hit random enemies. And then like if I do forward 3, yeah, it's just hitting random enemies. So imagine these as lightning bolts, basically. The question is, how the hell do I make these look like lightning bolts? I have an idea. It would be to procedurally create the mesh, right? So like, we would create a mesh, or does it even? Hold on, does it even have to be procedural? Like, what if I just made a lightning bolt mesh and then, cause like we have it travel, we're creating a mesh, right? Or we have a mesh, and we're properly making it like. We're placing it in the right spot. We just have to cut it off at the right point. So I could actually just use a shader, I think. Oh, I'm not actually sure. And just make it invisible at a certain point. I don't know, but right now I'll just make it yellow and call it a day. All right, we've got lightning. And then maybe... Oh, you know what else we can do? Here we go. We have this curve. Let's just keep adding points. Look at this shit. How's this for a lightning bolt? Wait, I don't even know if this is working. This is so dumb. Wait, can't I just like, can't I programmatically create this curve? Isn't this just a sine wave? This is not lightning. I wonder if I could programmatically create this curve based on how long... Based on how long it is. I have no idea. I'm pretty sure I can do this with a shader. I'm 100% sure I can do this with a shader. But we will save that for another day because again, we're not doing art until we get the mechanics fleshed out. All right, let's see what this looks like. Hopefully it looks a little bit cooler. Oh. It does not. We've lost our wave, it seems, because yeah. That didn't do anything. Whoa. Let's do 10. And then section length 0.1. Ah, there we go. There we go. Ah, I didn't have to restart. Crap. I do that all the time. Hey, that's kind of cool. All right. For the amount of work I put in, that's pretty cool. It doesn't look like lightning, but you know. Okay, and maybe we frick. I keep exiting it, and I don't have to. Let's maybe 0.1 before. So we give it this amount of time just to allow the collision shape to like place itself, and then we do this, which is making the object look cool and stuff. Maybe we do tween it. And then 0.1 seconds later, we deal the damage. Let's try it. Cool. Just hits a random enemy. That's pretty cool. All right. So like for this one, spread V3 is pretty good. But I believe this one is not as good. Yeah, because these just don't even shoot. Because, yeah, okay. That makes sense. Which I did not want them to. Yeah, so single target, this is extremely powerful. But yeah, all right, cool. You know what's next? Sound. Hey, Dark River Sabian, what's up? Come on, work. Yeah, it did. So, machine gun tower, kind of. Yeah, it's interesting. So this tower, I don't think you were here. It hits a random enemy, completely random. Targeting will not work. It's not closest, it's not whatever. It's just completely random. So if there's a horde of enemies, it's not going to just focus them down. It's just going to hit random enemies. Right. So we need sound. All right, we're looking for lightning. Possibly sci-fi. I don't think it's gonna be nature ambiance because this is like, yeah, it's like a longer, you know, sounds. Possibly explosion. I guess I could just search in this entire thing. If okay, that search did not work. Whoa. Lightning. I believe this is everything too. I mean, let's scroll down and see. Yeah, and I thought, yep, this is everything. So you have to scan the subfolders and then search. Zap. Shock. Burst. I mean, this does sound like lightning. Can you guys hear this? I'm gonna be honest, this is pretty good. This one's pretty good too. How do I like... And then like imagine that higher pitch. Let's try it. Let's try it. Worst case, it's horrible, but I have a feeling it'll be decent enough. That's not what I wanted. All right, sounds, and then let's make a new folder called lightning bolt. Cool. Okay. And I recently redid the sounds. I refactored it off stream, so now it's like a lot easier to do. All we need to do is create a resource and put it in the proper folder. So we have lightning bolt. Let's make a new folder called lightning bolt shoot. And then in here, lightning bolt shoot. Put that, crap. Put that in there. And then here's our sound. So sound directory, we do lightning bolt shoot. Select this folder. And now we can do 3D, yes. Min volume is fine, max volume is fine. Pitch. Min pitch, let's do 1.5 to 1.6. Let's try that. As for max distance, I think it's fine for now. Okay, and now I just need to actually do the sound, so shoot. I don't think I want to do it here, though. I want to do it here. I want to do it right here. So lightning bolt shoot. This, I do not want this. Okay. right, let's try it. And then it plays at this position. Perfect. We don't need to show the debug areas anymore since we know it's working. All right, hopefully it's passable. I have a feeling it. I don't know. I don't know. I kind of think it won't be very good, but let's find out. That's pretty damn good. Not gonna lie. That is pretty good. And then what if we do Ford V3? Nice. Good enough, right? It's good enough. I wonder. What if we made the distance like 30? Would that? Did that even change anything? I like how it fades off, but then like here, I want it to sound better. But it still sounds faded here. What if we made the unit size 20? What about 5? Then what if we made the distance 30? That's better. It's a little loud, obviously. That's better. Now just the volume. Maybe like 30. Okay, maybe 40. Jesus. And then back to 50, what does that sound like? Way too loud. That's better. All right. That's good enough for me. Yeah, it's like, for single target, it's like the bullet. This is very strong. This tower is... I guess the reason it's not as strong is it is very similar to the bullet though. Oh, but the bullet's fire rate is just fast. So like this fire rate's ×2, this is ×2, but the bullet's just gonna shoot so much faster. So these have the same fire rate, yeah. But the bullet can miss. I don't know, balancing this is gonna be really fun and exciting. I'm not sure how sarcastic I'm being. Okay, that's cool. The lightning bolt is good, let's commit it. You may fire the lasers. Yeah, right? All right. And then I need to start keeping track of like when I finish certain things. Video planner. So as I do streams, I write like the script for the devlog. And I should get into the habit of doing what I'm about to do. Which is this. Lightning bolt finished at 1:26. 1 hour and 26 minutes. So I can easily find the footage for it. Okay, cool. So what's next? Let's do the railgun. We're making good progress. Turn the music back on. Oh, and check this out. We've got some more concept art. Fluke finished the forest creatures. Oh, there's 2 pictures. Ooh, okay. He's doing some more sketches. Oh, dude, I love. These are just like super rough too, but I can see where he's thinking. They're just tree people basically, and I love it. And then we've got, oh, this is so cool. And then there's some goblins. I love the goblins so much. They look so good. It looks like he redrew this one. I don't understand how he made this one look so good. I don't understand. Okay. Anyway, what are we working on? Bam, lightning bolt done. Railgun, I think. So this one is, again, basically the bullet. It's basically the bullet. Except I want a larger charge time. And I also want it to just go to its max range. What if it was global? That could kind of be cool. That would add like another little gimmick to it. What if it was actually global? Or maybe like to balance it, what if it had like a 0.5 second charge up time? And during that time it couldn't aim. That'd be interesting. Because then it would be very hard to hit close range. But still, I mean the thing hits every single enemy in a straight line. Which is actually harder to set up than you think. So I don't think I should give it too much. Okay, so, but yeah, railgun, bolt of energy that fires after a charge up delay. It deals damage to all enemies hit. Let's think. Let's do it. Oh, yeah, let's do it. What I was thinking though, I wanted to make this like part of this at least programmatic somehow, because manually doing all of this is like really obnoxious. Like all of these scenes can just be found somewhere in here. They're all just here, right? All of these folders. And then this, like, yeah, it creates an array at this. And we get this scene. I mean, It's just kind of annoying. Can I do any part of this programmatically? Like I could get all scenes in the projectiles folder, right? We have the projectiles folder. If I just went through and got every single scene, that's all I would need. Let's try it. I'm sick of doing this. It's just too messy. But then, like, what if... The problem is with that is what if I want to store a second, like a helper scene in one of these folders? What should I do? Maybe I just do this. But this is the annoying part, like all these preloads. But no, I kind of need to do that. So then I have all these, but then how do I put all these into like an array? Hey, Boca Joe, how's it going? Use a special naming convention. That's not a bad, yeah. I'm just trying to think like, okay, let's say someone other than me, well, let's say me in a month wants to add a new projectile and I've just completely forgot how to do it. What I would like to be able to do is just copy and paste this folder and then it would just work basically. And then obviously I would have to rename these things and then it would just work. Now you also need the resource. Shouldn't these resources go with this? So these resources hold all of the data related to that projectile. Maybe I should just do this off stream. This refactoring stuff is basically me just sitting here thinking about what I should do. So let's just not worry about this on stream. All right. So we're making a railgun, and that is very, very similar to the bullet. So rail underscore gun. Is that what we're naming it? Yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay. Seems like you're using the name of the TSA. Yes, I am. I know. Which is why I feel like I can do this programmatically. This actual name is being used in like a lot of places. Not just in this script. Because down here it is programmatic. I just do get projectile and then you input the name, the type, I guess, which is one of these. And then it just does it automatically, which is nice. That's really nice. But setting that system up is not programmatic. Which is unfortunate. I mean, what? Okay, I have an idea. All right, I know what to do. We are going to initialize an array of all projectiles, all projectile names, types. And that's it. That's what we'll use to make it programmatic. Okay. So projectile types, and then all that's gonna happen is just right here, it's just gonna do append. And now, bam. So this is the only thing I'll hard code, because I want the option to be able to put more in this folder than just one scene and one script. So yes, I will hard code this, but not this and not this. I'm just hard coding this list. I think that's fair. Now, I mean, this list is basically just these folders. So maybe I can do it. Maybe I can do it fully programmatically. So we have projectile types for type in what? I need to get, where do I do that? Where do I get the directories? I think I did something here. I did not write this. No. List directory, directory.list. Somewhere in there. What does this mean? Get directories? Excluding files. Okay. Interesting. I can't export because this is, I guess no, this is basically like an auto load. How do I, equals file, isn't it like equals file.new? And then it's like this dot open or something. I don't remember. I don't remember. Actually, in global, it might just show me. Oh, duh, it's directory. Yeah, okay, it's a directory, not a file. I literally just said it too. Directory.new, and then directory.open. Okay, at least I got that part right. All right, cool. So we're opening the projectile directory. Great. And then for... No, hold on. Var I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Equals projectile directory dot get directories, and now I want to go for each for directory in directories. I just want to. Okay. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna say like. Well, actually, I don't know. I don't know what I'll get. Let's find out. So this shouldn't break anything. I should just. Yeah. Oh, look at that! It's just the strings. Nice. It's no other crap. It's not like the full path or anything. Sick. Okay, so projectile types dot append D. So now we are programmatically generating the list of projectile types. A projectile will always have a folder associated with it, and I will name the folder correctly. That's a given. So now, well, now I believe I can programmatically do all of this. Because this is only done once, I think. Oh, wait a second. Okay, maybe, you know what? I think I still will need to preload things. I think. Will I? Well, let's see. For T in types, projectile types. All right, what are we doing? I mean, projectile pools of T equals an empty array. Okay. And projectile instances of T equals what? See, this is where it gets interesting. It's I guess it would be load. We're not preloading it, right? That doesn't really make any sense. Because we're actively loading it. Var maybe P, maybe instance equals load this, and then here is plus T. Here is plus T. Is that it? Like, is that actually it? Okay, I've lost the ability to scroll, I guess. No, hey, I appreciate it. Seriously, I do. I appreciate any backseating. I'm not being sarcastic. It helps me think about things differently. Do you need those preloads as individual variables, or can you just build a dictionary from the start? Yeah, that's what I'm building the dictionary of the projectile instances. Right. I think I'm not entirely sure how instancing works. Like if I do load scene and then save it as an instance and then save it in this dictionary, and then down here, oh yeah, see, look, arrow scene. Oh well, okay, never mind. Projectile instance equal. It would be projectile instances of of arrow. All right, let's do that. Like, what can I instantiate, I guess is my question. Can instantiate? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, you gotta love this. Where is it? Oh. Well, that doesn't help. Creates an instance of a class. Huh. What's a class? I guess it would work. I don't know. Maybe, we'll see. Boku Joe, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah. I just commented them out. Okay. I don't know. I mean, let's try it. Also, what's the difference between load and preload? Like, do I have to like every time I instance this, do I have to reload it? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think this is good. I think this will work. I mean, it probably won't, let's be honest, but let's try it. So our projectile pool is just, we're just shoving them all here in global because why not? I mean, that appears to be working. think it works. Cool. All right. Well, I mean, no shit, you can't open it because I didn't do it yet. Yeah, okay, well, now we're getting an error because we tried to open Railgun and it says bullet. But that's fine. Okay. That error is fine. Yes. Okay, cool. Hey, Damon, what's up, dude? Very nice. Yes. All right. This is it's programmatic now. It's completely programmatic. So I add the folder and then this figures it out for me. Now, will this bite me in the ass when I try to do something that doesn't follow this? Yes. But you know what? We will cross that bridge when we get to it. This is awesome. Cool. And yeah, the whole reason we're doing all this crap is because we're like programmatically setting up projectile pools, as opposed to instantiating and freeing every projectile we shoot. I did this before I felt like I needed to, but it just makes sense to me, I guess. So yeah, let's continue with Railgun. Yeah, iterative development. Hell yeah. Okay, so we don't need this script. We need to rename this to, oh my God, Railgun. But yeah, Damon, I don't know if you saw my message, but I got through the tutorial of Tribes of Midgard, and I love that type of game. I love it, where you like gather resources and try to like fortify your base and get stronger, and then like you're trying to survive as long as possible, right? Or do you have like a goal? Is it endless? I don't even know. But I freaking I love that. I love that type of game. Okay. So let's do this. No raycast for this either. It's going because we need to hit multiple things. Can the ray wait? Is there a setting to make it so the raycast can travel through multiple things? Probably not. That's not what a raycast is, I think. I mean, that's, look, I just want a cylindrical area. And that is what I will do. Am I gonna sneeze? No, I'm not. It's ruthless. You haven't made it past a few nights. If your race gets destroyed, you and your team are dead. You have to start fresh. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. Right. So we're gonna have to do a similar thing to the lightning bolt thing, actually. Shit, should I have just copied that? Wait, I actually just want to copy that. Hold on. Wait a second. I copied bullet, but honestly, I should just copy lightning bolt. Okay, so we're at lightning bolt, and we already have a vision cone that is already dynamically changing its size. But yeah, I mean, this is exactly what we wanted. Poxicity, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Sunday morning. All right, let's do it. Ah, true. If we get overseas player, yeah, that's a good point. So they're not playing at like 2 a.m. Oh, wait a second. What did I do here? What the hell is that? I just accidentally added a second trail. Okay. Well, that means it's here as well. That's kind of funny. Okay, railgun. Railgun. Detach. And I actually want to duplicate this script and name it railgun. What? Okay. No, 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 no. Oh, crap. I didn't duplicate it. I just renamed it. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Okay, now let's attach the script. Good. Okay, and this is literally the lightning bolt script, but the only thing different, literally the only thing different between these two things is, one, we don't want to look at. We want it to just travel in a straight line, and two, it's not enemy hit. Literally, it's just enemies in vision that I want to damage. So, yeah, right here. For enemies in vision, enemy, and then deal damage. It hits everything. It hits everything. Is there anything else? No, that's it. It's pretty cool though how, like, yeah, I think, wait. Yeah, I was gonna say, it's pretty cool how such subtle differences can completely change how it works. So those two changes make it so instead of make it so like the lightning bolt hits one random enemy in its range. This is going to hit every single enemy in its range. Or in its vision, rather. And it also just travels in a straight line. So, well, you'll see. Okay. I'm having trouble explaining exactly or explaining this properly, but it's fine. Oh crap. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I don't think I can use cylinder for this. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. If you remember the enemy, see how I made its hitbox really, really high, really tall? That was so I'd be able to use cylinders like this, because the game doesn't play on 3 dimensions. It's purely, I mean, it does, but it's mainly 2 dimensions. So. Okay, anyway. This is good, I'd say. Let's turn on visible collision shapes again, and let's create our resource. Man, I mean, it's nice that all the resources are in the same place. That is nice, actually. I was gonna say the resource should be grouped in with this, but eh. All right, so lightning bolt, let's just duplicate this and name it railgun. Railgun, I mean, I'm just gonna keep it literally exactly the same. Okay. I'm sure I'm missing something, but yeah, let's find out. And let's see if it works too, obviously. Uh-oh. Yep, I forgot. Yep, I did forget something. We need to go here. Name this rail gun. And we also need to give it the resource. I feel like I should be able to programmatically do this instead of having to manually drag it in, but I don't know. It's fine. It's really not that big of a deal. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, on a positive note, we see the railgun shot, and it did do what we wanted, okay? It is the correct length. Invalid position on nil, on base nil. Okay, so you guys can't see that error. I wonder, can you see that error? No, you can't. Position on base nil. Enemy hit was nil. It is. Yes, it is. New scale equals position dot distance to, nope. New scale equals this. Wait. Oh, that's the collision shape. Oh. There we go. The bullet should just travel to the max range. The lightning was going to the enemy. This should just travel completely max range. Let's try it again. Ah, so close. Looks good though. We're close. Okay, change health and base area. Okay, so we forgot to do that. Can we pause it? Okay, there. Okay. So it's 4 enemies and enemies in vision. See, this is a misnomer. Enemies in vision is actually areas. It's areas in vision. Area dot get parent. The parent of the area that's hit is the enemy. And if we continue now, it should work. Let's go, railgun baby. All right, let's go. Nice. What? No. Okay, I bet you it's because it tried to hit an enemy that doesn't exist anymore. I guarantee that's the issue. Attempt to call function get parent and base previously freed. Yep, there it is. Okay. If area does not equal no, I should go through all the projectiles and just make sure, because that's like a pretty big deal. If I use signals, maybe I'd be able to prevent that somehow, but I'd have to change up a lot of things. Because then the enemy, oh, that would be weird. No, the way I'm doing is fine, I think. Cool. Cool. That was easy. And we have an hour left. I was gonna end at 11, or 12 rather. We can just keep going, I guess. It's kind of funny how like the railgun and the lightning bolt are almost identical. So like this is the railgun, obviously. And then let's add the lightning bolt. So lightning bolt hits one random enemy. Lightning bolt hits one random enemy. Completely random, irrelevant of tower targeting. The railgun travels through and hits all enemies. So like this is gonna be huge for the railgun, yeah. And because of how good the railgun is, the base stats for it are going to have to be like significantly worse. I like a high damage on it, maybe like 3, but the fire rate should be like much lower. Maybe like 0.4 and 2, just because it's hitting all enemies. Range, I kind of like a high range on this. Projectile speed is completely irrelevant for the railgun. And then everything else, maybe like a slower aim speed. just to like really hammer home the fact that this is like it's a very powerful weapon that homing strength is irrelevant. Okay. Now I don't even know if that updated it. I don't think it did. I think, wait, what if I do this and then back to the railgun? Yeah, now it updated. Okay, so this is gonna shoot significantly slower now. Yeah. All right, let's get a cool sound for it. And maybe change the color. And maybe change the trail to not this. That didn't even do anything. I don't know. I would like to do this programmatically with like a shader or something, but I'm not. We're not doing shaders right now. We're just not doing shaders right now. So we're the manual curve. The manual curve it is. All right, chat. Give me a color for this. Do you play any SPS games or MOBAs, Acer? Yeah. So Agarito. Sorry about the late response. I don't know when you sent that, but I play League. Not right now. Not actively. It's a cancerous game, and I've it's addicting, is what I mean to say, and I'm trying to dedicate my time to something more productive. With that said, I got Plat 3 4 or 5 months ago, and then stopped playing. So yeah, I could have kept going. I was on a pretty good. I was doing well, but I stopped while I was ahead, because if I stopped while I wasn't doing well, in the back of my mind it would just be like, ugh, I need to keep trying. I can do better. But where I am right now, I'm happy. And you can look me up on op.gg if you want for League of Legends for it's Acer. But what else? I used to play Dota 2 like when I was in college, like four-ish years ago. Let's see. FPSs. I love Call of Duty Zombies, like specifically the zombies mode. I don't know. I just find it really fun. It's basically a roguelike now that I think about it. I just find it really fun, like trying to survive, getting better weapons, kiting the zombies, that kind of shit. It's just fun. I don't know. That's pretty much it for FPSs and MOBAs. So hopefully that answers your question. How about you? Noon Eastern. He's into. Nice. Okay. 9 a.m. for our West Coast buddies. Nice. Is this my first game? This is my second. Well, okay. So for Godot, this is my second game. I've made a bunch of games in Dreams. If you don't know what Dreams is, look it up. But look up Dreams PS4. It's basically a game engine on the PlayStation. But as for like games I'll be able to publish to Steam, this is my second. Or this will be my second. If you want to look up Laser Bounce, if you type in Steam Laser Bounce, this is my first game. And I just need to say, I couldn't put this on the page because I'd feel bad, but like, I purposefully put as little effort into this Steam page as possible. Like look at this is my entire about section. I wasn't even planning on putting it on Steam. I just did, but then people wanted it, so I did. I just did this to like know what it takes to get a game published on Steam. Like I didn't do any achievements. I didn't spend any time on the about section. I made a trailer, but this guy. There's one negative review, and my God, this guy, I don't know, he was having a bad day or something. But yeah. So this is my first game. Now, like, okay, why'd you do it if you didn't put any effort into it? I did put effort into, it's a mobile game. That's why I didn't really put effort into it. I did put effort into the Google Play. Well, like that's what it was for, right? Although, okay, I don't know. But yeah, so anyway, to answer your question, thanks for asking, by the way. This is my second game. Yeah, I did get a bachelor's in computer science. Do I recommend it? I would recommend it. Compared to a game dev related major or game design or something, I would highly recommend getting a degree in computer science instead. Now, you won't get the internships of a game dev degree, but you will gain significantly more knowledge in programming, which I value more than the entire game dev degree, in my opinion. Or skip the degree altogether and teach yourself, because really, if you're trying to get a job in game dev, and I assume that's kind of like why you're bringing that up, they just care about your portfolio. They literally just care about that. So make some great games. Instead of spending money in 4 years in college, make 8, or maybe like 4 or so like relatively large projects. I don't know. You played League 2 for 4 years straight. You stopped 5 months ago and got plat, and then stopped. Nice. Now you play Valorant? Oh no. Agurito, I can't tell you how to live your life, but I don't know, man. I think it's just a huge waste of time. It's so fun though, trying to but like, look, it's just like sucks time away. And you technically, I mean, you have limited time to live your life. And just playing this meaningless game in every waking hour, every available hour possible is just like, why, I guess. But I only say that because I have been rather in that position. So channel your energy into something productive. Don't know. Agurito. Dude, I know I'll only play like 1 or 2 games. Just, there's no point. Okay, here. I will give you something to channel your energy into instead. Like, yeah, I get it. You don't want to just like work on stuff all the time. I totally get that. Instead of playing Valorant or League of Legends, play games similar to games that I assume you want to do game development. If you don't, then ignore this. But play games that are similar to games that you want to make, so you can like learn from them. You can learn like good practices and pick up like different things. So then when you go to make games, you can like take different pieces of the games you already like, be it mechanics or polish or music or just anything. You like Valorant though? Is good. It's not like League. Yeah, you do. Okay. That dude with the negative review has a thing on his Steam profile that says, why so many negative reviews? An explanatory essay. No, but the thing is, like, he's right. The things he said were completely accurate. But like, I just don't care. But I couldn't say that. But the only thing he said that was like not right, but it was funny. He said the game is $2, which is $12 too much. Which is like, okay, what? I need to pay you $10 to play this, but everything else he said was like accurate. But like, for Christ's sake, like he's right. Like, it's a mobile puzzle game, which with like 50 puzzles. It's just funny. Like, I don't know. The thing is, like, he didn't spend $2 on it. He got it in a bundle, and he was like super pissed off or something. I don't know. It's weird. It's super weird. He essentially got the game for free. But whatever. So, Railgun. Color? Anyone have color preferences? I was gonna make it like blue or something. I don't know. Purple maybe. Bluish purple. Let's do it. What else? Did I say the sound? I said the sound. All right. This is cool. There's a lot of cool sci-fi sounds in this. So I'm looking for like a pretty decent charge up and then like yeah, I don't know. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I'll copy and paste it, but then we can keep look. I mean, this is the first time I found a sound this quickly, so maybe we should look a little bit longer. Oh. That's good. They're so good. They're all so good. All right. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? This one? Or this one? A or B? It's actually pretty fun. Thanks. Thank you. I appreciate it. But yeah, the pricing like $2 because it's $2 to get rid of ads on the mobile one. So I don't know. I made this game with $2. He said it's $12 too much. Well, it's only $2. Which is pretty funny, honestly. All right, A or B? I like B just because it's less piercing. Like, I like B. I'm going with B. I don't care what you guys say. Biogun's good, but it's like it's like it'll stick out a little too much. In my opinion. So, lightning bolt shoot? Nope. Rail gun shoot. Wait, is that it? Don't we have to like do something else? I don't even remember, to be honest. Yeah, wait, don't we have to like create the resource? Like that. Okay, so you put the resource in here and then give it the folder. Okay. And then you can just edit the sound. You can edit it from here. Right, okay, because yeah, I remember how I did this now. I programmatically went through and got all the T-Res files out of this. Yep, okay. So 3D, yes. Volume's probably fine. Pitch was good. Pitch was good. So let's do like that. And let's try it. Here we go. Railgun. Range. It's not bad. Let's raise the pitch a little bit. Nice. Can we make it like... Get louder? Oh. That's a little too much. Curious what 2 sounds like. And then back to 1. Oh my god. So like this is not a good place for it. I wonder, you know what, this would actually be a pretty good place for it. Oh my god. So like if we make the fire at 3, it's just gonna destroy it. What a disgusting weapon. Oh my goodness. You are a monster. What the frick? I like it. I like the sound. Now maybe we make the unit size smaller. And then like, and then we've got like, what else do we have? We have like bullets, which do a similar thing. We have the lightning bolt, which kind of does a similar thing. I mean, they're all different, okay? But okay, this is not. You should not be firing that quickly. Wait, is this just one-shotting it? Oh no. Okay, let's not make it one shot. Oh my god. So like, what's the difference? Okay, what's the difference? Bullet, bullet's single target. Bullet is single target hit scan. Lightning bolt is basically anything. It's like the bullet. It's exactly like the bullet, but it hits a random enemy in its range, completely random. So that it's basically the bullet, but worse. But the reason it's better is the reason it's different is 1, it can't miss. The bullet can miss. This cannot miss. 2, the stats, because it doesn't focus down one enemy, I can make it better because it's worse, right? So the stats on it will be better. Maybe. Railgun is the bullet, but it doesn't stop. It just travels straight through all enemies. And then what is this one? And then this is also the railgun. What else is kind of similar to these? Nothing else really. Everything else isn't hit scan, but let's just throw in a lightning ball. Just like the diversity is really fun. So the lightning ball is single target, but it can bounce up to 4 times. I love it. I'm curious. Okay, this is gonna break it completely, but I'm just having fun at this point. If we increase the number of bounces, where's max? Where do I set max bounces? To like 30? Oh, aren't we gonna hit the lifetime? What's the lifetime on this thing? Oh, we're in sounds. Oh my God. Okay, I don't want to go there. I want to go to resources. There we go. All right. 5 seconds. Okay. So now it's just permanent bounces. Oh, do I have to restart? I think I have to restart. That's a shame. Because the code gets like locked in or something. I don't know. It's weird. All right, let's see what happens. I mean, it's pretty obvious what's gonna happen, but I just want to see like how crazy it gets. So now it's just gonna like permanently, yeah, look at that. look at how many. Oh my God, I love it. They just don't go away. Oh my goodness. Wait, that's amazing. $30 bounces. Okay, and then you know what would make it even crazier? Is if I made the speed like really high. So now they'll bounce even quicker. Oh my God, that's insane, dude. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. That's kind of crazy. Wow. Huh. Maybe we make it 5. Let's keep it to 4. 4 is just a... 5 is fun though. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's still... I believe it's still 30. This game works pretty well. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we'll put it to 5. I'll increase it just a little bit. No, we're gonna keep it to 4. I don't know. There's no reason to change it right now. I just want it to bounce a lot. Anyway, it's 11:30. We implemented the 2 things I wanted to implement. Where do we go from here? Are these sounds coming from your dreams version? No. I bought a sound pack for, I think it was like $20. It has 9,000 sounds. Okay? Like literally 9,000. Ultimate sound effects bundle. We've got a good 8 gigs, 8 gigabytes of sound files. It's beautiful. So yeah. You understand the exclusive gate queue thing now? Nice. So now you can loop through your different guys. That's awesome. Yeah, I think, well, for the queue, the priority has to be all the same, I believe. Yeah, but can be useful to start the game. Yeah. You can mess with priority, but it just won't. It'll make the queue not work. So you think I should invest more time on learning and being productive more? Wait. So you think I should invest more time on learning and being productive, more on wasting, rather than wasting time on playing a game like League that it's time consuming? Yeah, you're 19. Okay, I'm 26. If you're curious. First year in university, nice. You're gonna redo it? Wait, your video games caused you to make you need to redo this event? Oh my lord, dude. Okay, yeah, you have a bigger problem than I do. Well, you probably had the same problem. It's just I was able to get through it. I don't know. Wasted a whole year doing basically nothing. Sounds accurate. Yeah, so the reason I say I think you should is because, I mean, I wish I did earlier, you know? I mean, I'm only 26, which I still, I caught myself early, I guess. But yeah, redirect that energy into something productive. Or not, I don't know. I mean, if you want to just spend your whole life playing video games and, you know, I mean, go for it. But I personally want to spend time creating things. That's what I enjoy. Make it like 3 times slower and 3 times harder hitting. Yeah, the railgun, right? That's what you're talking about? Yeah, I agree. Like the aim should be slower, the fire rate should be slower, but it should hit really hard. I completely agree. But all these things I can change. All these stats I can change. Later, when yeah, right. Look at the little baby. How old are you, Miller? Are you an old man? What? Are you like 60? How old are you? What are you doing with your life? Wait, David, aren't you older than me? How old are you? What the hell? If I'm old at 26. All right, what are we doing? We finished. I mean, let's do one more railgun demo just so I can get some pretty good footage of it. Is this gonna break my camera? Yep. Resizing the game freezes my camera. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, let's make a good straightaway. How about that? All right, so railgun, purple laser thing. And let's do like this one. This one can be forward V2. This one can be multi-directional. This one can be, I don't know, forward V3. Yeah, so it shoots at the max range, which is nice. Oh, wait, this is broken. Ooh, see, I'm glad we tested this. So these they're not extending properly. Oh, of course they're not. Shit. I'm glad we tested that. It makes sense that they're not as well. Wait, but why are these working? Wait a second. Okay, so railgun, oh, I see. This is wrong. For the railgun specifically, I still want it to shoot. That was a really easy fix, actually. So I still wanted to shoot. Yeah, okay. That will it work now? Hey, look at that. There you go. Okay, easy fix. Easy fix. Yeah, so it only goes the max range. Cool. All right, that should be some pretty good footage. 232. 232. All right. So again, we've got about a half hour, maybe another hour. What are we doing? Hey, Alpha, what's up, dude? You're 29. You refuse to turn 30 this October, and you're calling me old? What do you mean? You will literally always be older than me. What do you code in for this game? It's called GD Script. It looks like Python and it acts like C#. So, you can also use C#, and you can also use C++ in Godot. 31 next week. Oh, you guys are both 30. I'm on my way. I'm close. I'm closer to 30 than 20, but yeah. Respect your elders. Yeah. Most of the active Dreams community is 24 to 44. Yeah. All the creators, because that's the entire community, basically. Have a nice day, bro. I enjoyed staying by. See you later, Agarito. I'm glad you enjoyed the stream. Have a good rest of your night. Uh-oh. The stream is crashing. All right, for some reason my internet is crashing. Can you guys... Wow, I haven't had internet issues in a while. What's going on? Maybe it's Steam. Was it Steam? Nope, it's still dropping every frame. Can you guys? Yeah, it's probably buffering right now. Is it Discord? Is it Spotify? Is it what else uses internet? Is it Microsoft Teams? Which probably shouldn't be open. Is it the other Teams? Hey, it's not correct. Oh, no. Wait. Nope, it still is. Damn it. Are we just ending it? Like, what an awful way to end the stream. Is it Godot? No, I'm still dropping frames. What the hell? Yeah, I tried OneDrive. I paused syncing. I mean, I could just exit it, I guess. Can I? Quit. Did that work? What if Windows was like downloading an update or something? Okay, well, OneDrive appears to be exited. Oh, here. Oh, I don't think we're dropping frames anymore. Okay. Now the question is, okay, we're good. So guys, refresh stream to get back to the present. Okay, we're not dropping frames anymore. No issues here. That's good, but I think you're probably super delayed. Even though you're not having issues, which is good. I mean, I can show you. It was dropping 100. It was dropping 60 frames a second, which is every single frame. It's not anymore though. It's not anymore. So if I just reset this, we should be good to go. Yeah, we're good to go now. So if you guys want to refresh, but you're a bit behind. I mean, of course you're going to be a little bit behind, but like 5 seconds ish. All right. Hey GB, how's it going, dude? So we're good. Hopefully I can put Spotify back on. Somehow. Yeah. What if Spotify was the issue? That would be tragic. Oh, the song was finishing. That's why it was quiet. But yeah, we're gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna keep reading chat now that that crisis is averted. Joe Ryan, who is scary young. Bro, Joe is not 14. Jesus Christ. Joe Ryan is not 14. He's like 23-ish. Alpha, did you actually get convinced that Joe Ryan was 14? He has like, oh my God. Really, dude? Seriously? Seriously? Oh. What is happening? He's been alive longer than 14 years, but he identifies as 14. What is going on? Oh my God. You know basic HTML, CSS. Like I said, just starting Python. Ah, cool, cool. Okay. Yeah, I mean, HTML and CSS are nice. I wouldn't consider those programming languages. Those are more like visual scripting. Not even scripting. I don't even know. I guess they're technically programming languages, but yeah, Python's a good one to start with. Python's really good to start with. Definitely learn C# though. That's a pretty solid one. Or Java. It's not for you to say. Dude, he's like 23-ish, all right? Like he's around my age. Holy crap. He said it before, which is why, like, oh my God. He identifies as 14. What the hell? Oh my goodness. You're a minute delayed? Okay, try refreshing again, because you should not be that delayed. Like if I open my own stream. Although this may lag the stream now, but we'll see. Although this may lag the stream now. It's like a 5-second delay, so you just need to refresh. Okay, anyway, can we please continue trying to do this? Do what? I don't even know. Like, what were we even doing? You were just watching Tutemic? Yeah, dude, I want to get through some of his videos just to have better practices in Godot. I haven't had time though. What are we doing next? Yeah, he has some really good Godot tutorials. But anyway, Notion. Yeah, I mean, well, don't get me wrong. Like, it was completely on my end, but you should be good now. Do we railgun? Bam, finished. All right. Do we do Matrix? Because Matrix is kind of scary. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Matrix because like, here's the idea. Here's the idea, but again, the issue, I overlooked one thing. The idea is that every artillery that is a Matrix will create a wall between them. So you have to have two for this to work. And it'll create a wall of energy between them. And then every enemy that passes through gets stunned and takes damage. The issue is if the tower rotates, what happens? The tower is going to be rotating. Like, what is happening? What would happen? I think the tower just needs to not be able to rotate. But then, if that's the case, well then which direction does it face? You'd have to be able to set that. I think that's fine. All right. So, there is a foundation. There is a foundation that lets you, set the rotation. So yes, if you have this foundation, you would be able to manually set the rotation. What if you equipped Matrix to your tower? Would that also let you set your rotation? Because, or maybe just whenever your aim speed rather, not rotation. Whenever your aim speed is 0, maybe you can just manually set it. If your aim speed is 0, you can manually set it. I think that's reasonable. And then the fixed would just make your aim speed 0. Let's try to implement that. Let's try to implement that. So it's not even the fixed foundation. It's just if your aim speed is 0, allow the user to rotate the tower. Now, how? With the scroll wheel, probably? So like aim speed, 0. So this should stop rotating for 1. And then if we edit, yeah, scroll wheel. I think scroll wheel would be perfect. So this shit, okay. So see, aim speed is 0. So actually if we spawn, it literally just stops moving. Oh, that's great. That's freaking great. That'll actually break a lot. That'll break a lot of things too, because we have it so it'll only shoot if it's aimed. But now that the aim speed is 0, we need to handle that. So like right here. Wait, where is it? This is arrow. Oh, sorry. It would be in tower. It would be in tower. My bad. That makes things a lot easier, actually. Tower. So if... where's shoot? Shoot. There it is. Okay, where's the function shoot? So, here we go. If aimed, return. But, if not aimed, and stat aim speed is greater than 0, because if it is 0, it should still be able to shoot. It'll just shoot the wrong way. All right, let's try it. Aim speed 0. Hey, it works. And that should work for every tower. So now, so technically, if we time it correctly, that's pretty funny. Okay, perfect. So if aim speed is 0, 1, it stops rotating around like this. Or not 1, I guess this is the second point. If you say Matrix 5 times, Mighty shows up. That's really funny. Could it auto look at the nearest Matrix turret in range? Possibly. I like the idea of manually setting it. Yes, it could, but it's kind of weird. I like the idea where it sets the if you equip the Matrix artillery to a tower, the tower's aim speed it's just 0. The tower's aim speed goes to 0. And then you're able to manually set it. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay. What happens with the rotator base? I don't know. I guess it would just, you'd be able, so this aim speed, this is supposed to be, this just spins around based on its aim speed, right? So its aim speed would be 0, it wouldn't spin. But you would get all the stat bonuses. So that combo's pretty good, it seems. You would get all the stat bonuses because it's gonna spin around really fast and it can't aim. This tower is gonna have some good stats. It's gonna have some really good stats because of just how bad it is. But the Matrix completely negates the spinning, like completely. Good question. Okay. What's next? So we were saying, oh my god. It shouldn't just passively rotate. So right here, it's going to be this. Else aimed equals false. Turret rotate. If stat aim speed is greater than 0. Shouldn't aimed only equal, like, can't we just stay aimed? Wait, okay, when does aimed, aimed equals that. Right. Right. I don't, I mean, it should just be aimed. So if stat aim speed is less than or equal to 0, aimed is just true. It's just always aimed. Why not? So now we don't have to do this because it's aimed. It's just going, if aimed is true. Hold on. No, hold on. Wait. If closest enemy, wait a second. No, aimed is 100% false here. But here, if it's less than or equal to 0, if the stat aim speed is less than or equal to 0, aimed needs to equal true no matter what. No matter what. Because in this big if statement, there is a closest enemy. In this else, there is no closest enemy. So aimed equals false, and you rotate passively. If there is a closest enemy and stat aim speed is less than or equal to 0, aimed is true no matter what. Okay, let's try it. So now, aim speed 0, it should just stop. There you go. It just stops. So now we should be able to manually set the aim with the scroll wheel. This is going to be interesting. Where do I display that? That was weird. Oh, no, it wasn't. Never mind. I pressed spawn goblins. Look how slow that aim speed is. Oh my god. Okay. So what's next? Scroll wheel needs to manually set this rotation. Okay. Or maybe, how do I set this rotation? Yeah, I mean, I guess it would just be the scroll wheel. So I should get something like, oh man, I haven't done input stuff in a while. I think I need the input function. I mean, I don't need it, but I guess it could be an update target rotation, actually. So update target rotation. Okay. This is all fine. Yes. If stat aim speed is less than or equal to 0, somehow it could be negative. I don't know. All right, where am I? Where do I do? Where do I get inputs? It's been a while. Maybe in the tile script. Seriously. Ah, okay. Is action just pressed? Okay, but what about the zoom? What about the scroll wheel? Where even are we? Okay, let's go to the camera. I think it's called strategy game camera. Yeah. All right. Let's grab that. And I probably should have just done that originally instead of whatever. Tower, right? Yeah. Ah. What, I mean, I don't know what's it called. Zoom in. Okay, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Okay, and then let's go to the... How's it going? What up?
Hello.
You're awfully close. Let's go to the rotation and see how I did it.
I just killed my last brain cell, so...
Fun.
Here I am. Yeah. I'm so tired.
You should go to sleep then.
Hello, Insane Alpha Beta. I've been studying. I have a final tomorrow. And then I have another final Monday, and it's gonna be real rough.
Yeah, but then you're done for like a couple months, right?
No, and then I have 2 more in the next, and like, I'm so tired.
There you are. What are you doing right
I
now?
literally, like, I have no thoughts in my brain.
Okay, you should go to bed, baby.
I
You should go to
know.
bed. You should go.
Oh
Go
my
to bed.
God.
Go to bed.
I was like literally like I was trying to just finish up like going through some stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and I was like I would look at the question and I would be like there would be nothing. Like my brain would just be like absolutely empty, and I was like, all right,
Interesting.
so bedtime.
Sounds about right.
All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Have a good night,
Sorry,
babe.
I'm so
It's okay. Go to bed, babe. You're tired. Holy crap. Natalie's out of it.
I can hear you.
I know. You're
I'm,
out
like, right here.
You're out of it, Natalie. You're like about to fall asleep.
You're out of a fiance. That's right. We're done.
Okay. Bye. All right. We're in the tower right now. I want to rotate what? What do I want to actually rotate? I mean, wait, what was rotating? Turret. So turret.rotation.y equals turret.rotation.y. Oh, is this gonna give me the same issue? Maybe I should lerp. I should lerp this, shouldn't I? I should definitely lerp this, but let's not right now. Plus. $15, I don't know. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. So set the aim speed to 0 and then scroll. Right. Okay. That's radians. That's radians. That's gonna be radians. Degree 2 rad. 15. Good old radians. Good old radians. Let's try it again. Yay! So now, oh, wait. Well, is that aimed? Well, now I don't know which way it's aimed. This is not, no, this is not aimed properly. It's like in between. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. It doesn't reset it. It's just plus equaling. Ah, shit. Wait, okay, let's think about this. Okay, one, why didn't we just do this? That does not solve everything, but it does help. Well, actually, why not just do 1 degrees? Will this be too slow? Wait a second. Wait 1 little second. Hold on. Oh yeah, look at that. 1 is just perfectly. That's interesting. It should only be when the tower is selected. That's actually amazing. How do we know when the tower is selected? Is selected. Probably that. What do you guys think? All right, scrolling now does not do that. And then if we go back in, it does not work at all. Yeah, I don't think we're using is selected at all. Oh, 2 matches. Yeah, we're not actually maintaining that Boolean, so that's fun. Fair enough. It's just this. Let's stop baiting ourselves. Are we? Wait, we actually might be. I don't think we are. Okay, aim speed, 0. Okay, so yeah, here's the issue. Here's the issue. Yes, this is working. This is 1 radian. This is great. The problem is it doesn't like reset. The rotation's not, at least I don't think it is. Oh, this is so messed up. Let's think about this for a second. Rotate Y. It takes in an angle. Wait a second. Ah, in radians. Ugh. Everything's in radians. Which is fine. Nothing's wrong with radians. Especially when especially when this function exists. Yeah, when the stat gets set to 0. That's a really good idea. Yep. So like, bam, 0, it resets it. So this is, I mean, okay. Well, it's definitely moving very slowly. I like the idea of giving the player like insane amount of control, but I don't think the scroll wheel is the way to do that. Ooh, it could be like a slider. What if it was like a slider? That'd be kind of neat. Yo, that would, wait, that actually solves everything. Because you can be as precise as you want, or you can just drag it really quickly. Although, how would that work with a controller? Or do we just lock you to the angles? I don't know. What on earth did you mean by lerp it? Wait, do you not know? Linear interpolation. So, lerp is, it's actually very simple. Let's, you have two numbers, 0 and 1. And you want to lerp between 0 and 1. Okay, so you use the function lerp, you input 0, you input 1, and then a weight. The weight is where you are between your input, your start and your end. So since we're using 0 and 1, let's say the weight is 0.5, you'd get out 0.5. What if we used 0 to 100? The weight is 0.5, you'd get out 50. Hopefully that makes sense. How you gonna slurp it? No, we're not slurping. We're not spherically interpolating. We're not linearly interpolating. Not yet, at least. Okay, I think a slider is nice here. Because yeah. I have a way with words. So let's see. How's it going, Ghost Root? Pi over 6 would make you be able to rotate the tower each flat. Yeah, but like each flat and pointy edge, you're right. But like, what if the player wanted to do something else? You know, is there ever a situation where the player would want to do something else? I'd say yes, actually. Now, with that said, before I add the slider, what if we did like pi over 12 or something? Just like even more. Too bad, yeah. So, okay, so when the stat equals 0, when do we reset this? I'm not even in the tower right now. How do we know the stat got set to 0? In calculate, that's where it is. Calculate stats right here. Okay, if stat aim speed, we need to know if it didn't equal 0 before and now it does equal 0. That's the thing. I think. Or just round it to the nearest pi over 12. What if we just did that? This is a song. It's a very interesting song. It does not have a set function, no. Okay, so we're rotating, this is fine. I mean, I'm gonna just friggin'... Turret rotation dot Y. Is there like stepify or something? I forget what it's called. Is it called step? Did they rename stepify to step? Smooth step. Where is it? I think. Or is it just step? What is this? No. No. I think it's smooth step. So, what would I be stepping? Oh, crap. It would be 0. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Why would no, I don't think this is it. I don't know. I'm just typing in something random. I want to round to the nearest... Okay, whatever. Round to the nearest step. I don't know. I mean, this is just going to say use stepify, right? Yeah. But they're... Okay. Oh, its name snapped. I knew it. Its name snapped. I've been snapped. There it is. Very nice. And it returns a float. Okay. Oh, wait. So we'll just snap it every time we rotate. Right? Ooh, that's straight on. Hey, very nice. Okay. So now you've got the flat edge, you've got pointy, and you have one step in between. I like that. I think that's the best of both worlds. Okay. Right? So like let's do the railgun. And then I don't know. I'm gonna try to get like a funky setup here. Okay, so let's go to here and let's say we want it like that. Oh, see now it's in between. I want it like that. This is what I mean. I don't get the rotation I want. All right. But then like here, I mean, you just go straight down. Nice. Looks about right. All right. Cool. So if aim is 0, you can do that. What? I mean, what if? Okay. All right. What if we did pi over 24? Okay. We'll have to just place another one. Wait, I don't think that worked. Surprised my camera didn't freeze. Did that work? Oh yeah, that worked. Yeah, so now there's 3 steps in between. All right. I mean, all right, maybe I go with it, and then if people complain, I'll change it. Man, this is it's a tough problem though. Like, how do you give people the precision while also making it not extremely annoying to change? I mean, it could just be like some sort of input or a slider, as I said, but. I don't know. All right, I'm leaving it like this. Cool. So, I mean, that just solves everything. Like now the foundation base, I just need to set the aim speed to 0 and it would just work. But we can do that later, I guess. Oh, and then the matrix too. The matrix will just set the aim speed to 0 and then you'll be able to manually aim it. Cool. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the matrix later. We don't have time today. But let's add the foundation base. Did I say foundation multiple times? The fixed. I meant fixed. I think I said foundation like multiple times. Let's add the fixed foundation. Let's add the fixed foundation. So, I mean, it's literally just a resource. Like that's all it is. So let's do heavy and name it fixed. So I mean, aim speed 0. There. Maybe fire rate. About like 1.2. Damage 3. Range. The range is what I want. I want a large, on this base, I want a large range. That's kind of like why it's good. The bullet speed, we can have a faster bullet speed. Bullet size, something like that. Okay, cool. Target towers, no. Custom rotation, yes. But I actually don't need that anymore because I just set the aim speed to 0. So that's cool. Let's get rid of that. Foundation, custom rotation, nope, don't need it. Oh shit. Constant rotation, okay, so custom rotation, nope, don't need it anymore. Okay, back to this. Now it's gone. So fixed. Custom rotation is just 0 aim speed. I think that makes a lot of sense. And then no damage. All right, so that was easy. It was that quick. So we now have a fixed foundation. Let's see what that looks like. So bam. Foundation. Oh shit. All right, we must have missed something. What do we need to do to? Oh. We need to name it up here. I did this just in case. I don't know. It was just oh, this is why. It was easier to just get a field in here than to like parse the name from the file name. It was just easier. So let's try it again. All right, so we've got a couple towers here. And I want this one to be fixed. So foundation, fixed. Aim speed, 0. So now I can do this. And right down there, very nice. The camera angle makes it, you can aim it. I'll have to have some sort of UI that shows like where it's exactly where it's pointing, maybe like the angle or something, but whatever. And then maybe we have a railgun, and of course it resets. That's annoying. That's very annoying. Wow. It resets. It resets because when you choose a different turret, it destroys itself and then respawns. Okay, I know how to fix that. Tower. Where there's something called like refresh turret. Yeah, right here. Okay, refresh turret. So we need to get the turret's current rotation and set it to the new one. There you go. Let's try it. Set untyped nil. Invalid set index rotation on base nil. Okay, so the issue. Okay. The issue is I'm trying to set the rotation, but they're. Sure what the issue is. I'm setting previous rotation, but there was no previous rotation. Let's do this. Let's just do this. Turret, rotation. And this is going to equal a vector 3 dot 0. Okay, and then it gets overwrote. It gets overwrote if there was a previous turret. We set it to what it was. Oh, yeah. What is it? What is this? Oh, this is like this is a position 3D. All right, so this should work. Before we set up a map, let's just test it. Okay. So aim speed 0. Oh, actually, aim speed 1. Let's just see if it's clean now. Oh, look at that. That's so much cleaner now. It just immediately changes and the rotation is capped. Nice. Yes, that's so much better. All right, cool. So now that we know that works, we can do this. We can change it like this. And now changing any of this stuff shouldn't. Yeah, the rotation is kept. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Okay, so back to our demo. So we have this wonderful map set up here and a couple of fixed foundation towers. And because they're fixed, we can set the rotation wherever we want with the scroll wheel. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh. I wanted that to be the railgun. Oh yeah, baby. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, it's dealing 4 damage per pop, a pop, and then it's shooting 3 bullets, so it's gonna one-shot them. I think. Yeah, well, if all 3 bullets hit, it's gonna just straight up one-shot them. Oh my god. Nice. Oh, I gotta be careful with the scroll wheel. It changes the rotation now. Yeah. All right, cool. Fixed foundation. That was really easy to fix. I'm not funny. Okay. Nice. I think we call it here. This is fantastic. Slider might be better for even smoother. Yeah, I like. And I don't want to lerp this just because I want the player to see the end rotation like immediately, because if you lerp it, you're not sure. Yeah, intense scrolling. Yeah, I know. It's good. It's solid for now. It is definitely usable for now. All right. This was a nice little stream. It was a nice 3-hour stream. We made 2 more artilleries. We made the railgun, and we made. Let's make this one the railgun again, and let's make it deal slightly less damage. And then we also made the lightning bolt. We made the lightning bolt, which hits a random enemy in its range. So completely random enemy. And a better demo of that maybe would be like spread V1. Higher fire rate. So it's just hitting a random enemy. Nice. It's not able to focus anything down. Whoa. Wait, what's going on with... What the heck? Wait, okay, something's wrong. What is happening? Wait, both of these are messed up. Did we find a bug? I mean, yes, we found a bug. What is happening? What is actually happening? Wait, why are they so big? Are they getting bigger? How did we not see this before? What is happening? And then always the first shot is like, oh, never mind. Okay, they seem to be getting bigger, but maybe I'm just going crazy. Ah. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting crazy. I think they are getting bigger. What do you guys think? Oh. Is it exponential? Oh, it might be. All right. Huh. Because the projectile size is 1.2. It's getting 1.2 times bigger every single time it shoots. Why? Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. That's funny. That's really funny. Did I do that anywhere else? This is what I should have done. Oh, my goodness. All right. That fixed it. As I was saying, this was a nice little stream. We made 2 towers, two new weapons rather. We made 2 new weapons. Those being there's a sound bug. Those 2 weapons being Lightning Bolt, which hits a random enemy within range. And to demonstrate that, I'm going to make the turret spread like that. And the other artillery is the railgun, which hits every single enemy in a straight line. And to demonstrate that, we'll do the fixed base, which greatly increases the range and allows me to manually aim the tower. This is in a horrible position, so let's just place a new tower. How about right here? This is a decent position. This is a really good position for it. Let's maybe forward V2 and then fixed foundation again, and we're going to make it go. It's kind of hard to aim this, but that should be good. Yeah. Oh crap! I just scrolled. Okay, there. And let's see what it looks like. Oh wow. Yeah, so you can see like these are just shooting at it's shooting at completely random enemies in range, and then these are hitting, dealing damage to everything in a straight line. So it turned out pretty well. Turned out really well. All right, cool. Let's try to raid someone. Is Arrow streaming? I don't even know what this commit was. Oh, it was probably the railgun. All right, I just typed 0 aim speed now lets the player set a custom rotation. I very rarely add descriptions to my commits. Where would those even appear? Ah, so you have to click it and then you get it right here. Interesting. I should probably do that more. Okay, cool. Trixon, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Okay. Let's raid. This was a great stream. I'm trying to end earlier so I can go to sleep sooner. Basically. Lee's is streaming. Nova, Jitspo, Arrow. All right, we gotta raid Arrow. He's doing awesome stuff.
We went down the Beal book path.
All right, guys.
Could be wrong.
Arrow is making in Godot a Twitch plus other stuff, OBS plus YouTube stuff, integration piece of software. So like it allows you to like do stuff and hook into these different websites. It's really cool, and programs. It's really, really cool what he's doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Again, we started kind of late, but we got a lot done. We're making progress, which is awesome. Yeah, we did the lightning bolt, railgun, and the custom rotation stuff. So I will not be streaming tomorrow. I will be streaming Saturday and Sunday, or well, I may be streaming Saturday and Sunday. We'll see. We'll see. Depends on how I'm feeling. Depends on what I get done, but YouTube wise. But yeah, have a good night, guys. I'll see you later. Have some hearts. YouTube gang?